Welcome to Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. Today's topic is relationship between LCM and GCD problems. Find the LCM of the following polynomials whose GCD is a minus 2, a square plus 4a minus 12 and a square minus 5a plus 6. Now the polynomials f of x equal to a square plus 4a minus 12 and g of x equal to a square minus 5a plus 6. Now, here to take first f of x, look at a square plus 4a minus 12. So, we have to do the factorization of this polynomial a square plus 4a and minus 12 is there. So if we have to multiply any two numbers, we have to get the answer as minus 12. Then if you add this both number, you want to get the number is plus 4a. So now we have to define 6 twos are 12. So we know that 6 plus 2 the answer is 8. But is a one thing minus 12 is there. So we have to put in minus in any one number. Minus 6 into 2 the answer is minus 12 only. But the minus 6 plus 2 we are getting for minus 4. So then we have to change the another number for the sign. 6 and minus 2 we have to consider. Then 6 twos are 6 into minus 2, the answer is minus 12. Then 6 minus 2, the answer is 4. So this is exactly factorization. We then have to split the method. A square plus 6a minus 2a minus 12. So in this first we have to consider this first two polynomials, and in this polynomial in these factors, a is a common. So we have to take in the a outside a into a plus 6 minus. Then we have to see the second factor 2a minus 12. So here 2 and 12 is there. So 2 is a common and 12 is a common of a number of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Then we have to take in outside for the minus 2. Then minus 2 into a plus 6. So here a plus 6 is a common. Then remaining a minus 2. This is f of x for the polynomials factorization. Again g of x the value is a square minus 5a plus 6. We have to do the similar method for if we have using the splitting method. If we want to multiply any two numbers, the number would be 6 and then we have to add this number, the number would be in a minus 5. So 6, 3 2s are 6 obviously, then 3 plus 2, the answer is a 5. Then we have to put in the minus 2 and minus 3. Then using the splitting method, we define this line a square minus 2a minus 3a plus 6. Again have to take outside of the common terms. Then finally we are getting the polynomials is a minus 3 into a minus 2. So here GCD is a given. What is that? A minus 2. Then f of x relationship between the GCD and LCM, the formula is multiplies of the two polynomials. That means f of x into g of x equal to, and their LCM and LCM into GCD. So we have to keep in the which values we have to find the LCM. Then remaining you take and go for the right hand side. Then it goes for the multiplication for the division. Then we have to write now f of x into g of x divided by GCD. We have to write f of x means the polynomial splitting the factorization values a plus 6 into a minus 2 and a minus 3 into a minus 2 divided by a minus 2. Here a minus 2 is a 2, we have to cancel this value. The remaining answer is a plus 6 into a minus 2 into a minus 3. So we find the LCM of the two polynomials. Then next one, find the LCM of the polynomials whose GCD is x minus 3a and he's a given is a x power 4 minus 27 a cube x and x minus 3a whole square. So let us consider the two polynomials f of x and g of x. In that f of x, we have to take in any term as common, we have to check it that. So now x is the common, take out for the x, and then x into x cube minus 27 a cube. So here we have to write 27 a cube is a 3a whole cube. So here we have to apply for the a cube minus b cube formula, so that x into x minus 3a, the formula a square minus ab plus b square. Apply the formula instead of a equal to x and b equal to 3a. Then the third step, look at f of x equal to x into x minus a into x square minus x into 3a plus 3a whole square. So now how to multiply these values, x square minus 3ax plus 9a square. So now so this is f of x value, and g of x is a x minus 3a whole square. So x minus 3 whole square, we know the formulas, and then GCD is a x minus 3a. Then we have to write f of x into g of x equal to LCM into GCD. Then LCM you have to find it LCM. Then write for f of x into g of x divided by GCD. F of x and g of x value, right, divided by x minus a. Then x minus a is get cancelled. Then remaining x into x square minus 3ax plus 9a square into x minus 3a whole square. This is the LCM of these two polynomials. Now today we have find if a GCD is a given, means how we have to find in the LCM. Thank you for watching in crazy problems to easy solutions. Keep on watching. Bye.